Summation of series or special series. We know very well that when we add all the elements of a sequence, it becomes a series. So x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4, so on up to xn. So this will become a series. We can write down this in a different way, saying that summation xi, I runs from 1 to n. So I will become 1, so it will become x1. Then I will become 2, it will become x2. Then I will become 3, so it will become x3. Then x4 plus so on up to xn. Okay. Now, this is the special series. The next thing that we should do is, we should know is the name of this typical symbol. The symbol is capital Greek letter, capital sigma. Sigma is a Greek letter. Okay. So this is a capital sigma. A small sigma is like this. This is called small sigma. It is used to represent the standard deviation. This is capital sigma, which represents summation or total of. इसके कुछ properties है हम लोग देख लेंगे. Summation R runs from 1 to n. K into AR is nothing but constant outside R runs from 1 to n. AR, that is K, we can write it as K A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus so on up to. Then next is summation R runs from 1 to n. AR plus or minus BR is equals to summation R runs from 1 to n AR plus summation R runs from 1 to n BR. It is summation R runs from 1 to n. K is equals to Kn, because K will get added for n times. Summation R runs from 1 to n. 1 is equals to n. The most important results of summation are, we should really learn them because they are very useful in other topics also. So the first one is sum of first n natural numbers. It is sum of R runs from 1 to n R. So that will be n plus 1 by 2. Second, sum of square of first n natural numbers. And it is summation R runs from 1 to n, R square, n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. Third is sum of cube of first n natural numbers. It is summation R runs from 1 to n, R cube, it is n plus 1 by 2 whole bracket square. We are going to use these results when we'll solve the sums of exercise 4.1. So let us solve exercise 4.1. Find the sum of summation R runs from 1 to n R plus 1 to R minus 1. So this will be find the sum of R runs from 1 to n, R plus 1 to R minus 1. This will be summation R runs from 1 to n. We'll multiply this inside. It is 2R square minus R plus 2R minus 1. It is summation R runs from 1 to n, 2R square plus R minus 1. It is summation R runs from 1 to n. We can write it as 2r square plus summation r runs from 1 to n r minus summation r runs from 1 to n 1. This is 2 summation r runs from 1 to n r square plus summation r runs from 1 to n r minus 1 is getting added for n times, so this will be n. So it is 2 summation of r square. Summation of r square, that is sum of square of first n natural number. It is n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6 plus n plus 1 sum of first n natural number by 2 minus n. I'll take this 2 like that. I'll take n common actually. Okay, first we'll take n plus 1, 2 multiplied inside, 2n plus 1 plus, we can equalize the denominator, 3n plus 1 minus 6n whole thing upon 6. Now we can take n common, so I'll take n by 6 here. It is 2n plus 1, 2n plus 1 plus 3n plus 1 minus 6. So this is n by 6. If we expand this is 2. 2n square plus 3n plus 1 plus 3n plus 3 minus 6. Further, it will be n by 6. अब इसको कितना सिंप्लीफाई करना है वो अपने पे है. हम लोग इधर भी छोड़ सकते हैं, या अगर शुरू किया सिंप्लीफिकेशन तो पूरा कर देना है आपको. So this is going to be, now we are finding out the answer. So this will be n by 6. This 2 will get multiplied inside, it is 4n square plus 6n. It's 4n square plus 6n plus 2 plus 3n plus 3 minus 6. So it is n by 6, 4n square plus 9n minus 1. This is your answer for the first sum. Then the second sum is find summation r runs from 1 to n, 3r square minus 2r plus 1. If you find it difficult, what you can do is you can pause the video, write down the answer, and then you can move ahead. 3r square minus 2r plus 1. So it is 3 summation r runs from 1 to n r square minus 2 summation r runs from 1 to n r plus summation r runs from 1 to n 1. This is 3 sum of square of first n natural number n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6 minus 2 n plus 1 by 2 plus n. So we can either cut this and equalize the denominator. So here it is 2. So it is n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6 minus 2n. Now this is not by 6, this is by 2. N plus 1 by 2 plus, we'll equalize the denominator, this will become 2n upon 2. मैं वापस बोल रही हूँ, सिंप्लीफिकेशन कंपलसरी तो नहीं है, लेकिन हाँ थोड़ा आंसर को छोटा करने के लिए उसे करते हैं. आपने नहीं भी किया तो भी चलेगा. n by 2 if you take common, you will get n plus 1, 2n plus 1 minus 2n plus 1 plus 2. So it is n by 2, 2n square plus 3n plus 2 minus 2n minus 2 plus 2. n by 2, 2n square plus 3n plus 2. Now see this plus 2 cancel. This is plus 2 minus 2n. So n by 2, 2n square plus 3 plus n plus 2. This is our answer. Sorry, in multiplication by mistake I wrote this 2. This 2 is not there. This is 1 into 1, that is 1. So this is 1. This will become 1. And this is your answer. 2n square plus n plus 1. Question number 2. Now question number 3. That is find summation r runs from 1 to n, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on up to r upon r. Summation r runs from 1 to n, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on up to r upon r. This is summation r runs from 1 to n. This is as it is, sum of first n natural number. It will be r plus 1 by 2 whole thing upon r cancel. 1 by 2 summation r runs from 1 to n, r plus 1. So 1 by 2 summation r runs from 1 to n, r plus summation r runs from 1 to n, 1. This is 1 by 2. Summation r runs from 1 to n. This is sum of first n natural number. This is n plus 1 by 2 plus n. This will become 1 by 2 n plus 1 plus 2n upon 2. Then we'll take n common. So we'll get n by this 2 and 2 will multiply, and this will become n plus 1 plus 2. That is n by 4, n plus 3. This is the answer for question number 3rd. Now question 4th. Summation r runs from 1 to n, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube whole thing upon r into r plus 1. Summation r runs from 1 to n, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus so on up to r cube whole thing upon r into r plus 1. This is summation r runs from 1 to n. This cube of first n natural number. This is r plus 1 by 2 whole bracket square upon r into r plus 1. Summation r runs from 1 to n, r square r plus 1 bracket square upon 4 r into r plus 1. ये एक r कैंसिल, ये 4 इधर से आया और 2 का स्क्वायर 4 नीचे, ये और ये कैंसिल. So we can write 1 by 4 summation r runs from 1 to n, r plus 1. So it is 1 by 4 summation r runs from 1 to n, r plus summation r runs from 1 to n, 1. Sorry, we forgot here, there is one more r here. There is one more r here. So this will become summation r runs from 1 to n, r square plus r. So 1 by 4 summation r runs from 1 to n, r square plus summation r runs from 1 to n, r. It will be 1 by 4 n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6 plus n plus 1 by 2. We'll multiply here by 3 so the denominator is common. So here it is 1 by 4 n plus 1, 2n plus 1 plus 3n plus 1 whole thing by 6. 6 will come and multiply. It will become 1 upon 24. And we can take n plus 1 also common. So n plus 1 is also taken as common. So here 2n plus 1 plus 3. 2n plus 1 plus 3. So this is n plus 1 upon 24, 2n plus 4. I can take 2 common from here. So I'll get n plus 1, 2, and this will be n plus 2 upon 24. Your answer is n plus 1, n plus 2. upon 12. Find the sum 5 into 7 plus 7 into 11 plus 11 into 15, so on up to n terms. Fifth sum. 5 into 7 plus 7 into 9 into 11 plus 13 into 15, so on up to n terms. Now we have to find this. I'll take the first term of each of this term. It is 5, 9, 13, and so on. This is an AP. It is A is 5, D is 4. So Tn, or I will say rather Tr, is 5 plus r minus 1, 4. That is 5 plus 4r minus 4. That is 4r plus 1. Then it is 7, 11, 15, and so on. A is 7, D is again 4. So TR is 7 plus r minus 1, 4. 7 plus 4r minus 4. It was 4r plus 3. So actually this sequence is nothing but summation r runs from 1 to n. It is 4r plus 1 and 4r plus 3. Summation r runs from 1 to n. It is 16r square plus 12r plus 4r plus 3. This is summation r runs from 1 to n. This will be 16r square plus 16r plus 3. This is 16 summation r runs from 1 to n. R square plus 16 summation r runs from 1 to n. R plus 3 summation r runs from 1 to n. 1. What is summation sum of square of first n natural number? It is n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6 plus 16 n plus 1 by 2 plus 3n. So we can equalize the denominator here. So it will be 16 n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6 plus 16 3n n plus 1 by 2 by 6 plus 18n upon 6. So it is 16 by 6. We can also take n common here. So it will be n plus 1, 2n. Okay, we can't take straight away 16 common, but we can take 2 common, however. 2 common can be taken, or yes. So this will become 8 plus 1 plus 8 is 24. So there is 3 also. This is 24. N plus 1 plus 9. So this will be 8, 2n square plus 3n plus 1 plus 24n plus 24 plus 9. And then we can expand this and find out the answer. Actually textbook में सम ऐसे ही दिया है, इसलिए हम लोगों ने ऐसे ही लिया है, लेकिन ये सम रॉन्ग है मेरे ख्याल से, क्योंकि कहीं कहीं टारगेट वगैरह में भी उन्होंने इस सम को थोड़ा अलग तरीके से किया है. शाला में भी इसको अलग किया है, तो उन्होंने शाला में इसको ऐसे दिया है 7 into 5 plus 7 into 9 plus 9 into 11 ऐसे करके दिया है उन्होंने, और यहाँ पे ये अलग दिया है. ऐसे करेंगे तो आपकी टर्म आएगी 2r plus 1 and 2r plus 3, and then you can do, doing it is same, Expanding this and getting your answer, this is same, but the sum is changed. तो आप वो change sum के साथ कर सकते हैं बाद में. And now we'll go to the next sum, that is sixth sum. Find the sum of 2 square plus 4 square plus 6 square plus 8 square up to n terms. Sixth sum is find the 2 square plus 4 square plus 8 square plus so on up to, sorry, it's not 8, it's 6 also. 6 square plus 8 square plus so on up to n terms. ये तो सीक्वेंस है 2 4 6 8 वाली, ये एपी में है, A2 है, DB2 है, तो TR, R टर्म होगा 2 प्लस R minus 1 2, 2 plus 2R minus 2, this is get cancel, it is 2R. Okay, so this is nothing but summation R runs from 1 to n to R bracket square. It is summation R runs from 1 to n 4R square. It is 4 summation R runs from 1 to n R square. This is 4. What is R square? Sum of square of first and natural number. N plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. So it is 2 n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 3. That's a square है ना, हाँ R. तो ये जैसे 2R आया, हम लोगों ने इसमें डाला 2R स्क्वायर. R अगर 1 होगा तो ये 2 स्क्वायर, R 2 हो गया तो 4 स्क्वायर एंड सो ऑन. नाउ दिस कैन बी रिटन एज 2 by 3 n plus 1 2n plus 1. So this is the final answer. Now let us go to the seventh sum. Seventh sum is a bit different, but the last sum for today in this video. Find 70 square minus 69 square plus 68 square minus 67 square. तो even number के square minus odd number के squares है. तो हम लोग इसे ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 70 square plus 68 square plus so on up to 2 square minus 69 square minus 67 square. तो मैं इसे कॉमन ले लूं और इसको सबको प्लस कर दूं, so on up to 1 square. अब मैं पहले इसे ले लूंगी. ये क्या है 2 square plus 4 square plus 6 square plus so on up to 70 square. It's square of first and natural number. And this is 1 square plus 2 square. ये even number है. 3 square plus so on up to 69 square. इसकी एडिशन में से इसकी एडिशन माइनस कर देंगे तो आंसर आ जाएगी. अब इसको कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे, पहले इसको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. This is 2 4 6 and so on. So A is 2, D is 2, TR, that is R term of the sequence is 2 plus R minus 1 into 2. That is 2 plus 2R minus 2. It is 2R. So this whole thing can be written as summation R runs from 1 to 35. क्योंकि ये 1 to 70 तक का even number है तो 35 even number होंगे. 2R bracket square. Then let's come here. It is 1, 3, 5, and so on. It is A is 1, D is 2, TR is 1 plus R minus 1 into 2. So 1 plus 2R minus 2. It is 2R minus 1. So this is summation R runs from 1 to 35. 2R minus 1 bracket square. This is summation R runs from 1 to n. 4R square minus, we will expand this, summation R runs from 1 to n. 4R square minus 4R plus 1. So if I expand them, I'll get summation r runs from 1 to n 4r square minus summation r runs from 1 to n 4r square plus summation r runs from 1 to n 4r minus summation r runs from 1 to n 1. This and this will get cancelled. This will be 4 summation r runs from 1 to n r minus summation r runs from 1 to n 1. This can be further written as 4. This is n plus 1. But this n, please try to understand, this is not n now. This is 35. It's 35. So this will be 35. तो यहाँ पे भी ये 35 होगा. तो ये क्या होगा? 35 into 36 by 2 minus 35. कि हमें अभी यहाँ पे नंबर मिल गया है. अगर आपने ये नंबर बाद में भी डाला तो भी चलेगा. ये हो जाएगा 18. So if we solve this, we'll get 2485. This is your answer. आज तक क्योंकि वो उन्होंने r runs from 1 to n दिया था, तो सारे फॉर्मूले n में थे. अगर उसमें वैल्यू आ जाएगी तो हम लोग वैल्यू डाल के आसानी से वैल्यूज ढूंढ सकते हैं.